In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and print an envelope in LibreOffice Writer. Let's start by opening LibreOffice Writer. You can use a brand new document or any document you've already been working on. With your document open, head to the menu bar at the top and choose Insert, then Envelope. This opens the Envelope dialog, which is where all the setup happens. You'll land on the Envelope tab first. Here, type the recipient's details in the addressee box and your own details in the sender box. Keep addresses clean and simple. Each line should have only what's needed, like street, city, state or region, and postal code. If you're mailing internationally, include the country on the last line. Make sure everything is spelled correctly and avoid fancy formatting. Plain text prints more reliably and keeps the layout predictable. If you don't want a return address printed, you can leave the sender box empty. Next, switch to the Format tab. This is where you choose the envelope size and adjust how the address blocks sit on the page. Use the Size drop-down to select a standard format, such as number 10 envelope. If you're using a different standard in your region or have specialty envelopes, choose a size that matches your stock. For unusual sizes, select User Defined and enter the exact dimensions to match your envelope. Accurate sizing helps prevent misalignment and clipping when you print. Still on the Format tab, fine-tune the positions of the addressee and sender blocks. These settings control how far the text sits from the top and left edges. Small adjustments here can make a big difference in getting the addresses to appear in the right window or clear of seams and folds. Keep the text comfortably within the printable area. Many printers have margins that can't be printed over, so avoid placing addresses too close to the edges. Now go to the Printer tab. Choose the orientation that matches how you'll feed envelopes into your printer, horizontal or vertical. Printers often have tray icons showing whether the envelope should go face up or face down, flap first or flap last. Align your choice here with those icons or your printer's manual, so the print lands on the correct side, in the correct direction. When everything looks good, decide how you want to generate it. Click New Document to create a standalone envelope file, perfect for printing just envelopes. Or click Insert to add the envelope as the first page of your current document, which is ideal when pairing a letter with its matching envelope. That's it. Your envelope is set up and ready to go. If you need to tweak anything, simply reopen, Insert, Envelope, and adjust. Thanks for watching and happy mailing.